Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the Google Pixel 3a. Well, if you don't know about this device, well, we have flagship of Google, just like the way we say Nexus devices, but this is actually the flagship of Google, which means it's the Google Pixel 3a. Now, what you get through the Pixel 3a is just that it's a mid-range device. They thought that they could just do a little bit quite different. A lot of people, they were waiting for the light version. Perhaps they could be like Google Pixel 3 Lite and Google Pixel 3 Lite XL, but Google tried to change the game and they came with a capital letter A or a small letter A. Matter of fact, it's something which is so great. Now, jumping into the specification, this kind of device comes in with the 4GB of RAM, which right from the bat, 4GB of RAM is not something which is quite bad. We have seen it from a lot of devices running that kind of smooth Android, and you know Google how they manage with the software. Now, jumping out, the software comes with the Android Pie. Now, you're gonna love this device since it's have that kind of stock Android, and you get all the updates of Android, and you just can't get stuck somewhere since Google will keep you supported on software on the go up to they just leave the device. But another kind of stuff which is so great, the storage gives you 64GB of storage, which to my own kind of aspect, I give it go, because it's something which is so worth it. 64GB of storage, I find it's just like a standardization of storage on the device, whereby a lot of people, they could just consume that kind of storage, not device, that kind of storage. So to my own kind of aspect, I give it go. Another kind of stuff which I think to my own kind of aspect, for that kind of price, $399 USD dollars, but to me I keep it $400 because, you know, for the shipping and stuff, if you're not living around United States, it might be tricky. But jumping out of the box is just that it's plastic. Now, you won't get that kind of feeling like the Pixel 3, how it looks like, cause some of the parts of it, they just don't consume like the way Pixel 3 is. So you get that kind of body of plastic and not glass, and the front kind of glass panel, which you usually use it as a touch screen, you don't get that kind of Gorilla Glass. You just get normal IPS LCD, which it's quite not bad. It's just it's mid-range device, so just don't get scared there and start saying you need more specification. You could rather get the Pixel 3. Another kind of stuff right from the back camera is just the same as the Pixel 3. Now, they try to make a game change on this one. It's just like, let's be for real, a lot of people, they want to use the Google Pixel 3. If you're a fan, or you're not a fan of Android, or you're just in the ecosystem, so you just want to test a little bit, quite a great device for the cheaper price, $399, $400, somewhere there. So it's something which is quite impressive. Now, this kind of device, to my own kind of aspect, I give it go, since all those kind of specification and the mid-range of the price is something which is so great. The Snapdragon of processor is 670. Now, 670 is something which is so great. I can't say like, okay, you have just to, you know, you have just to change your, I don't know. So I think to my own kind of aspect is something which is so great. So this is the Google Pixel 3a. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about it? Is this just like a top notch, or is this just like they're trying you're like there somewhere there like But if you think this is a top notch, whereby people, they can afford getting this device, or still you'd like Google to minimize the price, let me know in the comments down below, so as we can share different kind of concept. And I'm about to roll out the video of Google I/O, the features of what's happening on the Google I/O. But if you want to check out the live stream, links are down below in the description. You can join the live stream of the Google I/O, so as you can see what's going on. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys got that kind of info ASAP and another kind of stuff. We're about to drop another new episode on the Instagram TV. You check out my Instagram account, just click this check out on me on the Instagram account. It's gonna be amazing. So another kind of stuff. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.